Hi everyone. What I want to do today is give you a quick overview of the new First Social Tab Builder 2.0. I want to show you some of its features and how to access some of its functions. So when you get to the dashboard, this is what you're going to see. If you have tabs already created with the Tab Builder, you're going to be able to see the edit and view. If not, you're going to want to go ahead and install a new. And anybody that's familiar with our other apps is going to be familiar with this process. You click the Install New button, and then you're brought up to this page. Unlike the other apps, the Tab Builder can actually have 5 different tabs on any one fan page. So you can select from one of these 5 icons, and that will be the icon for the tab that you're going to put on the fan page. You can have any one of these, or you can have all 5 if you choose. So what you're going to need to do is go ahead and select a tab icon. Just go ahead and pick the one you want here, and then select your fan page that you want to install the tab on, and then enter your tab name. Click on Save Settings and you'll be taken directly into the editor. So from the editor, you have all your design widgets up top here, and if you ever need to know what any one of them does, just mouse over it and hover there for a second, and it'll tell you what it's for. You have your control icons on the left, your save, your help, your clear, and your templates. And you have your main canvas in the middle. This is where you're going to actually build your fan page. If you choose, you can go ahead and use one of the templates. Just click on the templates button, and then you can select the template that you want. And then once you select the template that you want, you can edit it or customize it as you need. I want to show you how to use the widgets here. The way the widgets work is it's fully drag and drop. So if you want to add some text, just mouse over the text widget here, left click it, and then drag it to where you want it. You'll see this arrow. Now this arrow is actually pointing to the upper left hand corner of the text box where it's going to drop. You can go ahead and enter your text with the WYSIWYG editor. And you'll see it shows right where you dropped it. Now if you want to move it, same thing, just mouse over it, left click, and you can move it anywhere you want. A really cool feature is when you add graphics and certain other widgets. You'll see we'll add a clip art here. And we will just pick, we'll pick the blue gradient. This is really good for a background if you want to do a background for your fan page. So we're going to add the clip art. And as you can see, it's really small. But if you want to change the size of it, you'll see right down here, you'll see this drag handle here. You just grab the drag handle, left click it, and resize it to the way you want it. Now this works with all the images that you upload. It works with, actually works with all the widgets. You just resize it and everything, and you move it. Now here's something I definitely want you guys to see. Anybody that's familiar with Photoshop is going to understand this one. See how the hello world text that we put in there, now it's behind the graphic? But what if we want it to be in front of the graphic? What you're going to need to do is bring up the widgets editing menu. To do that, you're going to right click on it. And you see down here where it says layer. There are 3 layers in the Tab Builder 2.0. There's back, middle, and top. And they are just what they say. The back layer is behind the middle, and the middle is behind the top, and the top is on top of everything. So if we go ahead and change this to the top layer, update it, you can see now it'll go on top of the graphic we just put in. There's all kinds of widgets here. Widgets for YouTube, widgets for Google Maps, there's a share box widget, there's a comments box widget. You very easily just drag and drop them in, move them to where you want them to. And in this way you're able to very quickly create your fan page. Go ahead and we'll add a YouTube video here. Now, I actually want to show you how the YouTube videos work. See, it's asking for a video code, and this is what it's looking for right here. Let me show you. See how it says www.youtube/watch $V equals. See that V equals, what's right after that is the video code. I'll highlight it here for you. So after the V equals, and sometimes it'll say and sign and then feature equals related. You don't want anything after the and sign or even the and sign itself. You just want V equals and then the code right here. So you're going to cut that out there or copy it and then paste it right in there, and that'll insert the YouTube video for you then. Now this is another thing I want everybody to be aware of. Some of the widgets, for example, the YouTube widget, if you click in the middle of it, what you're going to start doing is playing the video. So you'll notice the widget has a little border around it, and that border is where you can grab it to move it or resize it. If you want to resize it, make sure you grab it there as well. Same thing with the right click. Make sure you're on the border if you're using the YouTube widget, and certain other widgets are the same way. You want to be on the border to right click it so you can edit it. And again, of course, just like the other widgets, the YouTube is totally resizable. So that's a really quick look at the basic functions of the First Social Tab Builder 2.0. We're really looking forward to your feedback and finding ways that we can make it even better than it already is. So please, if you're testing, if you're a beta tester, do not hesitate to email us, get a hold of support, and let us know how we can make this even better. Thank you very much and enjoy.